In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to apply for the credit card of Bank of America's customized cash award credit card. So to apply for the credit card of customized cash award credit card, you have to follow the steps. First thing, open up a browser, type in the link that is www.bankofamerica.com/credit card/products cashback credit card. That is going to take you to the official page, and while you're on this page, you just have to scroll down a bit and go to apply now. As you click the apply now button on the other field, you'll be able to see the information regarding the following credit card that you're applying for. So scroll down a bit and you'll have this field where you have to go ahead and follow the prompt and accordingly apply for the credit card. So just follow the prompt when you are actually providing your information, and then you'll have successfully submitted your request, and within no time you should be able to get notified about the application. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.